Does this ever happen to you? Taillight gets all full of moisture. Headlights can do the same thing. Headlights usually get water in them. This just kind of usually just gets a lot of, not an accumulation so much. So what happens is, if you look real close, usually the seal, and right here, that would be my first suspect. All the rest of that, and it's sealed from the inside. So anyhow, what you do, instead of buying a new taillight, open your doors. Hang on. Hang on. There's usually one or two, sometimes a couple of fasteners. Right here's one. I took them out already. And one down here. But then the hardest part has always for me been trying to get these. There's two little tabs inside there. Trying to get them to release. And I've already done this one, so I'm one step ahead. But the bottom one, yeah, there we go. Sometimes it feels like you're going to break the light trying to get them out. But they should come. Then you're going to have to come back with me in just a minute. What I'm going to do... Oh, look at it. I guess there is a lot of water in it. What I'll do is once... yeah, right out of the top. Look at that. What I'll do is take silicone once I dry it all out, and I'll seal this entire edge right here. And then it'll be good to go. Keep you from having to buy a new taillight. Because it ain't cracked, it's just the seal failed. Ooh, there's a lot of water in that one. All right, hope this helps. So then once you dump all the water out, there's still going to be that mist inside of here. So what I do is I just take a piece of paper towel, just shove it in the holes where the lights were, and then use a blowgun to help blow it all around in there. Go to the next one. And you won't get 100% of it, but if you let it sit out for a day or so, it'll all dry. And there's one more down here. Little tiny hole. Get you in frame there. Yeah, I just do that, and then I just take a piece of wire or a pick and just hook the piece of paper towel and pull it back out. Like I say, then I just let it sit and dry, clean the perimeter, and reseal the whole thing. Just an update on our taillight repair. That was June. This is November. And it's dry as a bone. Yeah, and it was definitely cracked right here. Just the factory sealant. Hope this helps.